Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having, what is these called now? Chicken burgers with onion rings and fries, okay? I hope you guys had a good weekend, a good Memorial Day. I can't even get it out. A good Memorial Day weekend, 3-day weekend.
Hey, it was Labor Day?
Labor Day? A Labor Day? A lie, I tell you, little fucker. Stop playing with me.
Probably.
I can never remember which one is which anyway.
I'm drinking one of those again.
Whatever.
No?
So you start trouble?
Right, man. I'll do it, man.
The people that already accused us of lying because of the title.
Fam, listen. I'm eating my food today. I'm not.
Oh, Lord.
With all that talking today. You feel me? I'm just gonna eat my food and don't talk today.
How you guys been? Oh, I gotta get some more great
Hold on. Before. Alright, yes. We ain't getting away yet. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, please.
Come on now. Come on now. Don't forget now. You're watching already. Do it right now. Don't wait.
So this burger, my burger have it's all the same except for mine. I put bacon on it, yon. Right? So it's just a chicken burger that I had spinach in there and I seasoned it. And then I have some sriracha and ranch on the bottom and some mayo on the top. And then we have some pepper jack cheese with lettuce. I didn't put any tomato. That's how it looks. I didn't put any tomato because sometimes the tomato makes it slippery.
Okay.
So,
let me get some of that sauce over there, please. The Chick-fil-A. Alright, let's get into this awesomeness. Appreciate this meal.
you're welcome. That's onion rings. See how crunchy it is?
Okay. You have to have pizza first aid, not mine, because you know mine is not a lot. You know, first aid not gonna eat up all that, so let me take care of mine myself. I tell you how good it is, right?
What?
Look at that bite. Look at that chicken. Delicious.
That is good.
Yo, you don't play around with the ground beef, man. Ground chicken. Yes, family. That's ground chicken. You already know that first time to eat ground beef, so why y'all don't try to get me in trouble? Y'all cut it out. Y'all know that right here. I was just seeing if y'all was listening. Cause yeah, I know first time to eat ground beef.
So, I was like, guys, I'm going to make some burgers. And then I just make a chicken burger for myself. So, I said, why would I do that? I'm just going to make a chicken burger for everybody. So my daughter was like, no, I feel like eating a real burger. I just want a burger. And I said, girl, I'm not doing that. Okay.
It tastes brilliant right now.
It's going to taste just as good.
It sure does.
I'm not just spoiled. So,
it tastes good. If you never try it, try it.
it's really good.
Really good. Yep. Forget that beef. You want that ground chicken, dog. Nice, big.
And it's not, you know, the ground beef, sometimes the patties is really convenient. It's already frozen, you just throw it in the grill, season it up. But this one I had to make it from scratch. And I put spinach in there and season it up.
Health is wealth.
So,
You want to taste the body armor?
I tasted it before. Hold on. Vincent? Vincent? Vincent?
What do you want? What do you want?
I want to see if he wants some more onion rings.
I'm sorry.
I love onion rings. Again, I never used to like onion rings. Never. You know what it is? I never was a fan of onions. I used to take the onions and like put it to the side. You know when you're cooking something and you're eating it and the onions was in the food, I would push it to the side. And I just stopped doing that one day. And I just fell in love with onions. Maybe that's why I now like onion rings.
What you
What's
eating?
going on?
What you eating?
This is not beer. This is ginger ale. Although it could be beer.
First right here is no beer.
Can't drink no beer right now. So take your medication.
She's on beer strike.
No.
But I drink it for her. I love me a Corona now.
Corona is bomb.
Not even strong, Tommy. I thought it was strong.
Like when you say strong, you mean like
Not alcohol.
like a You can drink it and still be
nice.
Yeah.
Well, my heat went down. It's all good.
Oh. Oh my gosh. That play at the end. I don't want to get you started.
Jimmy Butler, you're the man, but I want to take that shot. For everybody that watch the game, shout out to Boston. Everybody that's watching from Boston, shout out to Boston all the way.
Congratulations, Boston Celtics.
You deserve it.
Yeah.
JT, this chip is for you. You know what I'm saying?
We want them to win.
Yeah, I want them to win. If it wasn't the Heat, that's my team, but again, Boston in the building, but again, that was a game 7. But again, the Heat start off too bad. When they start off sloppy and getting blown out, it's hard for them to come back. But anyway, that last play, I know Jim Butler's the man. He get paid all that money to do stuff like take the big shot. But here what, family, I'm not shooting that. I'm going to the basket. Okay. Do what you do your whole career. Either they're gonna foul you or you're gonna make it. You know what I'm saying? He pulled up for that shot, family. I know y'all seen the game.
There was nobody in the paint.
Exactly. Nobody there to rebound.
Nobody there to rebound. None of his teammates. So even if he did miss the shot, which he did, there was none of his teammates under the basket or in the area to even catch his rebound. Right? That's the first mistake. What's the next one?
Second mistake. He's not a good 3-point shooter.
And it's crunch time. And you don't need 3-pointer. You don't need it.
I mean, it'd have been, again, if he'd have made it, he'd have been a hero. Again. But, come on. You was down by 2. Go tie the game up and get fouled. Weigh your chances. But, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good, though. They fight, so now I want the young boys to win it. So, let's see what they do.
So, would you rather lose the game coming from such a deficit to build your way up and then you lose by 2 or 1? Or would you rather be have blown the team out and then the team came back in the 4th quarter and end up winning?
The first one. Family, I'm telling you something. One thing with Heats, I've been telling first lady since I've been watching it, you can't keep a lead. I like when the game is tight, 2 points, 3 points. If they go down a lot, they're gonna have to struggle to fight to come back, and it's too much. But again, great series. That's what people get to people paid to see that 7-game series. You know what I'm saying? It was a brilliant series. But it's who wanted it the most. But anyway, that's that. Back to the good stuff.
What's the good stuff?
Eating the food.
It was rough.
You're full.
We're full in the bumbo blood fire.
I know you're full. I know you're full. And he? That's what I like. I can't eat their burger.
Well, get the bacon off.
No, not my own.
But
No.
I'm still thinking about it.
She'll eat it later though.
Yeah, I'm eat it later.
But every time we ask you what you're eating, you never tell us.
You know.
I knew she been full. From the first bite of that burger.
Stop telling my business. You know the family member don't like when you say that. They be like, They be like, I'm listening.
They don't be listening sometimes. They don't listen sometimes. That's why I like to quiz them. But when I quiz them, they get it right.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, no, I can't remember we were listening, but shout out to all the new subscribers, you know. Come join the family. Welcome to the family. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
All love over this side. No bad energy, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do over here.
The only one Richie pissed me off.
That's it. And Chad Jelly Chinese pissed me off Mario. But other than that, if you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice aka First Lady. Get to know us. Go watch the videos.
This is really good.
This is delicious.
Look at the cheese down here. This is the cheese.
White boy cheese, I make Mario. I got bread.
Bread is good.
You know some bite with the tongue?
You with your tongue? What's new? They're used to it right now.
Family's is busting this juice. That's why I love my french fries.
The only difference with this and a burger, with ground beef or whatever, is the burger you don't have to check the internal temperature. With the chicken you have to. Because it makes sure it's cooked. So that's the only difference.
That's true. That's true. First, they got a lot of experience.
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me, Mario.
The best way to eat a burger is medium well.
I don't know. I just tell her order the way I like it. She know.
I remember when we used to be like, well done, well done. When we first started dating. I'm like, honey, the burger's gonna be dry.
You never story me telling about your school, Mario. Nothing again. Right, go ahead. We said about the burger now.
Well done, well done. And then I'm like, honey, the burger's gonna be dry. Oh no.
You like my burger well done, Mario.
And then that's how he ate his steak.
What are you gonna do? For real?
Yes, she don't remember. It's been so long. I was like, honey, that's gonna be too dry. It needs to be medium well.
Damn, I never know that. I even say well done.
Yeah, man. I don't like my steak. I can't eat it medium. I can eat it medium, but I'm not gonna enjoy it. So I like it medium well. And so that's how he used to eat his steak. And then one day I made it medium well, and like I told you guys before, he's been hooked ever since. Even his burger, he wants it medium well.
I love it with the blood.
And no blood. To the point where Richie would stand at the grill and be like, would have his watch and he's timing it.
Yeah, right.
Because he's like, I don't want my steak to be well done. And I'm like, wow.
I don't know about. Can you get well done steak real?
Yes.
I don't remember that, Mario. For real?
Yes.
Like, I don't know why I was missing then. How I get a medium rare?
Medium well.
Oh, see? Oh, medium rare is with the blood? Oh, no, medium well then.
But they say it's not technically blood. You know what I mean? I some more sauce on it. You give me a bit of sauce and you're so stingy with the sauce. And PF's already, you know.
How you like y'all burgers?
That's good.
Medium rare too? Again, if you never tried this chicken one, the ground chicken, try it.
Some spinach. Season how you want. What I normally put on this is pickled onions. Fire. But I ain't feel like making it. I'm lazy. Okay.
Wow.
Full run.
That was good. Another delicious meal. It was horrible. If I make it this far and you forgot to subscribe, subscribe now. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. You know?
I love onion rings. There's just something about them. Which? Oh, these are Nathan's onion rings. They're good. From the frozen section. They're very good.
In the box, yeah? In the box, yeah?
So where am I gonna get it from?
Frozen section. Alright, family.
It's good.
What I got for y'all beautiful people today. This was good. Thank you.
Thank you, baby love.
Drinking out my bust down juice. Bust down. Alright. Alright, family. First, listen.
I don't want to listen.
Family, viewers. Yeah, listen up. It goes for everybody, okay? But I want y'all to listen up now. First, listen. Family. Family, be okay with not knowing for sure what might come next, but know that whatever it is, you will be okay. Say it again. That one short and sweet, right? Family,
short and sweet. Short
viewers,
and sweet.
and the new joining the team family members. Here we go. Family, be okay with not knowing for sure what might come next, but know that whatever it is, you will be okay. If you could, what did I say? If you could, what part?
Relate.
If you, there we go. If you could relate. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag relate. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all for real talk. Thank you for rocking with us. I am Richie. This is AKA Shanice, AKA First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.